What's up? Welcome to today's live stream. Sunday, April 14th, and I finished my taxes. I did it in bed this morning. It's the first time in years that I've ever done anything in my bed other than sleep. I made a promise to myself years ago that I would never bring electronic devices into my bedroom other than my Kindle, and every now and again my iPad, every now and again. But yeah, I took the laptop in the bed this morning. I was like, I'm gonna just do these taxes. Got it done, and I got rewarded for it too, ish. So I'm getting a refund. Can you believe that? They're like, hey, Will, we recognize we've taken so much of your money. We'll give you back 1,000. So I'm getting back 1,000, I guess. It sounds fun and awesome until you realize that the only reason why I'm getting back this 1,000 is because it's a carried loss from years ago, and it maxes out at 3,000 a year. So I guess I'm gonna have it for a while. So yeah, that's that. That's a big thing out of the way. But technically I'm not done with taxes. I'm done with taxes here in America. Technically I'm late on the taxes somewhere else that I gotta get paid. It's not really that I'm late on the doing it part. I hate doing things. It's a lot. Anyways, today I don't really have much of a plan. I kind of dropped off abruptly last night because I ended up going out to dinner, which is delicious, by the way. El Tiempo, if you've never heard of it, you're about to hear of it right now. Let's look at some things that are more important in life, which is Mexican food, Tex-Mex technically. Let's look at El Tiempo. So I got fajitas, which is normally what I get. They fucked up my order though, they got it wrong. I wanted al pastor, and they gave me chicken. I'm like, what the hell is this? And then I wanted the filet, because they do the fajita like filet, made out of filet mignon. I was like, I need the filet. And they brought me regular ass beef. I was chewing so my jaw is a little sore this morning. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little swollen. No, hold on, wait. See it? That's from chewing, that tough ass non-filet meat. Oh my gosh. But yeah, ended up going here, and then I don't know. I think went somewhere else. I don't know. It's just. So yeah, I abruptly left, but I did finish the thing. At least I think I finished the thing. I made a commit of the updates that I needed to make. So if you are following from the last time, the last 3 streams that I've done, you'll know that I have split apart. Like I've refactored this a lot. I've changed my data model. I'm changing the way integrations work in general, and I forgot to create the functions to actually add the configuration. So I've gone ahead and created the functions. And there are some things that I didn't like about this implementation, specifically this right here. And I think I have a solution, and it's going to be this. I'm going to not care if this error or if it's not a count, right? So I'm going to ask, hey, is this thing defined? And I'm going to treat it the same, except I can't. Fuck, shit, never mind. Ignore all of that. Ignore everything I've said. We're going back. Let's just build it. Let's just run it. Let's see if it works. Look at that. It kind of does. Surprising. Get Slack config error. Oh, where are we trying to get a Slack config? Get Slack config. It would help if I spell it correctly. Either this search doesn't work the way it used to work, or I don't know what I'm doing. Didn't search used to show you all the files? Oh, never mind. Okay, all right. Did they change how this looks? This works differently. I don't like it. All right. Why are we ever searching next? We never want to search next, ever in life. Okay. So an authentication I'm getting. All right, yeah, I guess that makes sense. Maybe. No. I don't like the idea that I'm getting these things during my authentication. I'm gonna leave it. I'm like looking at this sideways. I don't like this. Beautiful. I also, wait, what? Roscoe, what are you doing? I also don't like this right here. This all scheme. I don't know what the hell I'm using this for. Like, what do I use this for? Anywhere. I don't think I use it to do anything. All right, I'm gonna delete this all scheme thing. It's confusing. I'm pretty sure this is a holdover from how I was doing something in the past and I just didn't refactor it. I'm just now dealing with it. Now, why am I deleting this? It's because this dual logic is freaking pissing me off. Oh my gosh, you don't understand. I can't do it. Profile integration key. Why would this be not? Okay. So here, right? So I'm doing the same thing. Now, because I have this right here, I can just like pass these objects to a function and then generate this thing, which is what I'm about to do. In fact, maybe I'm not going to do it. Maybe this is a good opportunity to try to use Copilot. I pay for Copilot every month. Can you believe that? And I never use it, literally. Like, I think I've had it. Wait, do I even pay for it? I've had it since before it was really available due to like just reasons. And like I tried to use it and it didn't give me right results. And I was just like, so I never really used it. So it's always an afterthought. But now I'm like, oh, maybe this is a very easy thing to do, right? I wanted to look at both of these functions, these two, handle bear auth and handle integration key. I want to look at both of these functions and I'm going to tell it, hey, by the way, there's this duplicated logic bullshit right here. Extract it into a function. Can it do that? We're going to see. Now, I don't know if I had to, I don't know if I had to select the code. So I'm just going to do it because I don't know if I need to do it or not. So yeah, we're going to just take all of that and then Copilot, open completions panel, or is it, let's say completions. Okay. Wait, how's it giving me suggestions? I haven't told it what I wanted to do yet. Is this peak AI? I'm just curious. Is this peak AI? It's like, you know what? We'll just intuit what you want to do. You don't have to tell us what you want. We'll just tell you what you'll do. I don't want this. That's not right. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this Copilot thing for 5 minutes. I'm gonna time box this. I'm gonna give myself to 11:15 before I give up and just do it myself. Copilot. How do you? Okay, quick chat. I'm Copilot. Yeah. Sure. Extract a function for the duplicated returns in the highlighted code. Name the function. Generate profile. I don't know. Oh, how about I'm gonna come up with a fancy name? Manifest. Oh yeah, manifest. That's one of those words these days. I've been hearing it a lot. My friend was saying, because he's on TikTok, I'm not on TikTok, but he was saying that a lot of the videos about people talking about manifesting whatever the hell they in their life. So I'm gonna manifest this profile. All right, or profile. Oh yeah, profile. I'm gonna do a profile. All right, I'm gonna also give it some help. It should take as parameters. What did we get? Okay, so profile. I'm not gonna format that. It should know by now. So we'll say profile, the GitHub config. What else? Slack config, Google config. Is there anything else? No, even if there is something else, I'm gonna test. I'm gonna delete parameters and whatever else, and whatever else is needed. I have to give it. I have to basically. I can't do it for it by just typing it in English. Let's see. This is kind of shitty, but it's a start. It's a start. I don't have to at least type that part out. Yeah, it's a start. It's kind of shitty though. Not even gonna lie. First of all, this has a type. So did this. So I think that's a GitHub config. Huh? Huh? What the? This keyboard is, I don't know. Like it's slightly smaller than my other one, so my hands don't sit normally. So it's like I'm always one key off. I'll get used to it. I'm still using the new one that I bought. I don't know if y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all can tell. Maybe not. Maybe no one can tell that I have a new keyboard. It's cool though. Man, it did not do the best of jobs. Why? I don't understand why. Like, I just don't. Remember, this is the code that whatever the thing is generated. It didn't generate the types. The whole reason why I even chatted with Copilot. By the way, I'm at my time box, 11:13. Yeah, I'm just gonna give up on that. Like, the whole reason why I'm like, hey, by the way, here's this code. I wonder if I had to tell it. How about this? You didn't. Oh fuck! Oh shit! I accidentally did that. You didn't do it right. Use my workspace to help. And then I'd say like workspace. How do you do workspace? Is it /workspace? Fuck. I just said that. How do I do this? All right, I give up. Fuck it. I'm not gonna use whatever this is to do it. So here's the problem that I need to solve, right? I need to have the return type of this thing right here. Not in the promise. I need the little thing right here, right? There should be a way for me to say, all right, I want the type of whatever this and give me the return of this, whatever the hell. And that should just give me the type of that. And I think I should be able to do that. Yeah, because yeah, all right, perfect. So let me see if I can say this. Let's say type of, and then what is that function? GitHub Slack. And this technically won't work because this isn't technically the type, right? It's a promise. It's a function. I need to be able to get the return of that. So this is where I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. Hopefully it can figure this one out. Maybe, I don't know. Probably not. See if it can do that one. Okay. Okay, it knows about return type. Okay. Extends all right, this is the part that I don't know. So we're going to check this one. I mean, this never part, that, I don't know, that makes sense, but this extends promise, and for, I don't know what that means. Other than it's going to infer whatever the inside of that is. So let's just see. Maybe it'll do something. So we're going to create a type. And we're going to create GitHub config type. Let's see if that gives me the correct typing. Yeah, it kind of does. Yeah, whatever that is or no. Yeah, that works. Perfect. So I'm just going to copy and paste that a few times. All right. And then we have the Slack config. Oh, wait, that was the Slack config. All right. So this is going to be the Google config. And then this is going to be called the Google config type. And return get Google config. All right, make the selected type generic. I want to pass in the bit, the type of bit. I hope it can recognize what I mean here. Like this get Google config, I want to move this to the left. Ah, okay, okay, it does do. Okay. All right, I wasn't sure if I can do this as a type. Turns out I could. I know you could do this as a function or as a like other things, but yeah, I didn't know I could do this as a type. That's cool. So now because I've done this, I can create a Google type, and then I can say, all right, well, this is going to be my resolved promise type of my Google, whatever the fuck, config type. All right, so then that makes it easier for me to like copy and paste code. So we're going to do GitHub, GitHub config type, and this will be GitHub. And then this will be Slack. Oh wait, if I can spell it right. A. All right, and then I think I should be able to delete that. All right, so we have our GitHub config type. We're gonna have our Slack config type. And we're gonna have a Google config type. Google. Okay. Now these can all be null, right? So instead of doing this GitHub, whatever I'm doing, we're gonna say GitHub, and I'm gonna invert it. It's easier for me right now. So we're gonna say that, we'll say null or that. Now, why is this? Oh, that's because I changed this. That should be ID. What? No, wait, what? Huh? Identifier. Oh, wait. What do you mean identifier expected? Oh, it's coming back as a fucking never. Shit. They're all coming back as never. Wait. Promise about TT extends promise for type extends Return type of. Okay. All right, so we're gonna say return type, and then can I say type of T? Wait, what did I just do? How did I do that? Okay. So type of T. Can I do that? I don't think I can. Oh wait, no, I definitely can't do it here. No, that would go here. If it were able to be done. This isn't. It's going to never, and I know why. I just don't know how to fix it. So we're gonna see if this is where like ChatGPT is actually gonna be helpful. So this needs to infer the return type of the promise returned from the functions. Return type. It's resolving to never. No. Wait, I just tried to do the return type and it. Oh, okay, all right. I see. So I still have to do my this thing right here. Okay, I see. I got it. Oh, wait, what? Good. I'll just type it myself. Okay, there we are. Okay, yeah, this is user. Well, I can say that ChatGPT has saved me at least 20 minutes because I probably would have taken me at least 10 or 15 minutes. Because my next step I would have had to go and look at the freaking docs like a dumbass. All right. So I need to do the same thing with this too. I want this type too. So in fact, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna like do that, and then we're going to go to utils. Put that in here. It's pretty useful. I don't know if it should be like that. Is it common? Yeah. All right, so I want to do the same thing for the other thing. In fact, I don't want these types here. It's not necessary. I'm only using this in one place so that I can get typings here, really. So let's just move these to where they are. It may make it seem more complicated, but to me it's easier, and that's all that matters. All right, and then we can kind of do that same pattern here. And then what function am I using to get a profile? user profile, whatever. I should have two functions for getting. Oh, here. Okay, this is where. All right. I'm like, they should return the same thing. Yeah, they do. Yeah. So we'll just call that one and put it in there like that. Now this is upset because profile could not exist, right? And technically this would never happen because all in, like where is it? I'm returning in these functions in these functions if there's no profile, but this will never know that. So there is a utility type where I think you can say, yeah, this can't be null, it's required or something like that. But yeah. I'm just going to do this because it's easier. I'm just doing assertions like it exists. No. All right, cool. Now I can delete all this code. Oh my gosh, thank you. I hated this. Go away, and then we'll return our manifests. Oh yeah, we're gonna manifest it, baby. All right. Oh wait, shit. Oh wow, that was cool. I've never seen that happen, but that's dope. All right, I like it. I like GitHub Copilot now. That saved me at least 10 keystrokes. Let's see if it can do it again. Oh nah. What if I just say nah? All right, I still have to type return. Okay. Manifest. Okay, all right, fine. I still have to type a little bit, but that's fine. Now, if only I can get away, like if I didn't have to do this multiple times. And there is a way that I can do this because only one thing changes. And maybe I will do this because this function, like this all stuff has been like, oh my gosh, it's pain in my existence. The only thing that's changing is how these, actually, you know what? I'm doing it up here, never mind. I'll just keep it as duplicate code, it doesn't matter. Actually, maybe it does. Nah, it doesn't matter. I've already separated out into separate functions, it's cool. All right, I'm done with that. I think that was a nice little refactor. And let's hope that all this is working. Let's see what problems I had to go and fix now. Oh, profile. Oh, yeah. I had to assert its existence here as well. All right, let's make sure we're building. Looks like we are. Yo, what's up? This will be random, but you've inspired me to start Devlog. Oh yeah, you should. I find it helps provide motivation and a fun way to reflect on the work I do. Yeah, so one of the things that I found to be a benefit of doing this is that I can go back and let's say for instance I'm having a problem and I'm like, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I can just watch myself and all of a sudden, like, I just know what to do. It's interesting. It's like if you're I'm sure you've experienced it if you've ever pair programmed with someone and you're not the driver and somehow you know everything. It's like that where I'm just like, oh yeah. And it's also kind of cool to be able to see the progress, right? That's kind of dope. And one thing I often tell, at least the people who are closest around me, like in a world where we're all competing with one another, it's like I can actually point and show work that I've actually done, like a lot of it actually. And I'm not talking about just these devlogs. I'm talking about like actual work that, for instance, I can show you work that I've done. Like this is work that I've done, and other people get to use it. Certain things that are in Visual Studio or in TypeScript is like, people get to benefit from that work that I've done, and I get to point to it. And I'm like, because I've been in a position to hire, if I'm choosing between two different candidates, one person who's just like, oh yeah, here's my resume, and another person who's like, yeah, I have that bullshit ass resume too, but here I also have this other shit that actually means something. Like, I'm probably going with the person who's actually done something, But I don't know, maybe y'all don't know that. Maybe that's just me. But yeah, thank you for checking out the stream and contributing to the conversation. It makes it go a lot better, in my opinion. I don't know. It might, like, real talk, I don't see how people could just sit here and watch and not talk, because I can't do the same. Like, if I'm just watching another person work and not really communicating with them, I'm like, why am I even here? But that's just me, you know. I'm a different person, obviously. Let's see. Yeah, you never really cared about extra work. Final year software engineering degree, and the extra stuff really do matter. Oh, you're in school. Oh, okay, that's what's up. I remember school back in the day. Wait a minute. Wait, did it build? Yes, it did build. Let's see here. We have some issues going on though. Git slack config error. Why is it doing this several times? Where am I getting slack? I know where it is. It's in my authentication. Fuck. Ugh. But this is actually okay, because these are these warnings, or are these, how do I figure out what these are? Nah, these are errors. Well, it's not really a true error. Like, I mean, technically it's right? There are no Slack installs. But maybe I don't want this to be treated as an error, right? That's kind of where I'm getting at, where I'm like, you know, yeah, sure. Yeah. It's not there, but like, that's okay, you know? It's all right. But we're getting the actual Slack config error. JSON object requested, multiple or no rows returned. I fail to understand how this is an error. Like, that's where I'm like, wait, I don't understand this. But that's cool. We will seek to understand. Let's throw a breakpoint there, and let's just refresh a page. All right. What's in this error? Yeah, I know that. The result contains 0 rows. Is it because I have single? Yes, it's probably that. I wonder if there's like a tri-single or something like that. It doesn't have to be a single. Like, it just needs to be almost maybe single. Is that a maybe? Yes. Oh, perfect. Oh shit. They have monadic design here. That's dope. Okay. Yeah. So this is the move for all of these maybe singles. Get complete. Yep. It may exist. We don't know. Hopefully it exists. And I'm probably gonna have to go and update the upstream of this. No, downstream of this. My bad. Downstream. There should be one more. Maybe single. Yep. All right. Cool. So, is that gonna build? Oh wow, that's interesting. I wasn't expecting it to just compile. All right. Okay. Yeah, we do get okay. I was like, wait, I wasn't expecting it to just work. All right, let's go fix that profile. So the reason why this is failing is because it may get a thing. Wait. What do you mean this value is never read? Wait, what? What do you mean the values are never read? Why are these even here? Yeah, I don't even know this is there. Let's just delete it for now. Maybe this is something that I had planned in the future, or I don't know, at some point, and I don't remember, which is often, happens a lot. Are we still erroring out here? Okay, I think we're good. We no longer get this error. But if I come here and put a breakpoint here, I think that this is going to run every time. No, it doesn't. All right. Oh, no, it won't. I forgot. I just deleted the code. My bad. I'm tripping. All right. So we seem to be good, maybe. All right. Let's go ahead and try to install Slack. Wait, what is my workspace? All right. It's obviously not code and color. it is code and color. Okay. Fuck. Oh, okay, perfect. I am kind of signed in, hopefully. William. Dang it. Fuck. I hate what they've done to the new 1Password, where it's no longer 1Password. It's the irony is not lost on me that I have a application called 1Password that I have to enter in more than 1Password into. It's like, really? Oh my gosh, all this is just too much. How do I authenticate with this? Is it? Oh wait, no. 1Password. I hope I have it in here. Slack. Code and color. Yep, perfect. Yes, allow. God, just let me do it. Just let me do stuff. All that to see if it worked or not. It worked. Okay. All right, cool. So we think it worked. I don't know. Oh, yeah, it worked. Look at that. God, oh my gosh, finally. They're all here. All right. So now I got to finish up the GitHub installation because the org name, handle, and repo aren't there. So I got to figure out that. Let's see what's going on here. I got to log off. It's 2:30. Oh yeah, man. Thank you for joining. All the way from Australia. All right. My coworker is from Australia, or former coworker is from Australia. Never got a chance to go out there though. I wanted to go out there to see the water. I heard that it turns the other way. I'm like, I want to see that. All right. Let's figure out this right here. So I think that this is set. Actually, I forgot how this works. I guess we're gonna figure that out. I don't understand how this type can be null. But on insert. Does it not always return count? Guess this is where I go look at Supabase documentation. Wait a minute. Concerts from, okay. So I guess that may not be returned. So maybe, is there a status that I can use? Do they give me a status? Oh yeah, they do. Okay, yeah, let's use status. Okay, and what do I have on status? It's a number. What number is it though? Is it this number? Is it 201? Or is it this created? Let me see if I can get status text. Maybe that's a enum. If it's an enum, that would be even better. Nope, it's just a string. Okay, so what I'm gonna try is to I don't want to redo this. Like, I would have to delete what I've just done just to, yeah, I'm just screw it. I'm going to deal with this shitty code right here. I hate it, but I want to move on. All right, let's go ahead and commit. So I created a new thing here. And then we have this, and then the app, and then this. So this is all in the service of extracting this function, essentially. Oh, I forgot. Let's use our verb to manifest our profiles. Wait. Whoa. Wait, I selected all of that? That was a mistake, I think. Oh, no, it wasn't. Okay, never mind. It wasn't a mistake. All right. $50 commits in, or 50 files changed in, and I think I'm almost there. Now I've got to remember how my GitHub installation works, right? Am I using a webhook or not? Maybe I am. Let's see if I have webhooks anywhere. Install, active, create a web. No, I do shit. Are they used though? That's the other. That's the other question. Is it being used? All right, I think I have a way to know. I'm going to just throw a breakpoint right here, and we'll go on to GitHub. Where's my browser? Oh, there. Okay, I see what's happening here. Oh, excuse me. Oh, and before I do that, I have to make sure that some other tools are running still. Yes. All right, perfect. And it looks like we did get the request. Okay, so yeah, we should be good there. All right, let's go on to my app in Code and Color. It's going to become confusing because like I'm developing something, an app in GitHub, but then it's never mind. I'm just not even going to try to explain it. It's confusing. All right, let's go to settings, and I don't want to see the side menu. Developer settings, and oops, GitHub apps, just GitHub apps. All right, so here's my little app. It asks me this every time, like just okay, right? So here's my app, right? And yeah, what am I doing? Okay, I am using a webhook. Okay, all right, that's good to know. So then, I'm going to take this right here. Dump it right there. All right, just save the change, and I should be able to knock my server. So let's try that out. Let's go to, is it advanced maybe? Yeah, let's just, I wonder if I can redeliver. Let's try. Will it deliver to the right place? Yes, it would. Yeah, all right, perfect. Yep, cool. So we're knocking my server. So let's make sure that this action, I don't know what this action is. Let's see. So it's going to try to do these things. I'm just going to, I actually wanted to do it. I'm going to just stop the process. I don't want it to try this because I don't know what'll happen. Right. So I'm just like, yeah, maybe I should have let it fail so I can fix whatever's broken. Yeah, shit. All right, you know what? I'm going to try it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let it fail and I'll fix whatever's broken. So ideally, I'll do this and like nothing will happen. That's the ideal case here. No errors, essentially, is what I'm saying. I'm not even trying. Oh, fuck, shit. I shouldn't do this right now. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go ahead and do it and see if we get a crash. Okay. All right. Let's see if I get another record added. I don't, but it looks like this got updated. No, it didn't. Oh, look at that. Perfect. 814. Oh, yes, perfect. It didn't. I don't think it changed, except for this stuff. Perfect. Yeah. So it is creating the repositories the way that I need. ID. There should only be one. Okay. Perfect. So it didn't fail, which is good. That's good. This needs to just be wrapped in a return, and this needs to be somewhere else. This is really like a utility function. It's here for now, but right now it's not really adding anything, so I'm gonna just dump it here for now. Simplify, and we're gonna wrap all of this. I'll throw this in a finally block. And this is just so that it's very explicit that this will always happen. All right. I really need to create my error thing. You know, I'm gonna do that. Not now. I need to create my logger. I'm using this console log is stupid. And it's better if I just created a logger and then I can have it where I choose where to log the output, whether it goes to the console or a stream or a file or even a database. Right now, this isn't ideal. I lose my logs every time I close the application right now. So I'll just say, I don't know, what is this? This is GitHub API. GitHub webhook. We don't know what this is, obviously. Okay. All right, cool. I'm gonna run this again because it did fail, but it fell with a 500 error, which is fine. We should always return. And because I'm logging, I'm not gonna put a breakpoint. I'm gonna just get rid of it. And now it should come back as a success. Yeah, cool. And looks like we didn't get any errors. All right, so that's fine. I would like to get a warning though. Like I would like to be told, hey, like there's already installation here. We don't need to do it again. Oh fuck, no wonder it just worked. This is wrong. Do I have an update GitHub configuration? I do. Yeah, I see what's going on. It looks as if my, like something's off here. Something's off. Okay, I see what's happened now. I think my settings are JSON B. I think. Let me confirm. Yes. Oh fuck. Okay. All right. That's what the issue is. So this is again a type issue. So inability to maintain consistent types between my database and TypeScript. Now, this is there. I have a decision to make. Is do I want to just, you know what, I want to prioritize development speed. So it's gonna fuck me in the future. I know this, but I am going to just deal with it. And yeah, I'm gonna just deal with it. It'll be a record, a string, any. And then this is the wrong thing. This needs to be insert. And this will be the GitHub config settings. Wait. GitHub config. Why is this? Wait, where? Export GitHub config. is that not the name of the type? How about this? We'll do that. No? So none of these are types? I thought this was a type. Or can I not do this? Is it that? Yeah, it's probably I can't do it. Dang it. Oh no, okay, I can. Okay, all right. All right, where I'll call this at? Okay. So I will have access to these things. So we'll have the handle, the org, and there'll probably be some other things too. Repo. Okay. And settings is just in JSON. So I'm going to stringify whatever is in settings. All right, so now this needs to be updated, the usage of it, because it's broken. Wait, do I have UID? No. I don't know the user ID, do I? This would be update. This would actually be update. Yeah, I forgot because yeah, this won't know the UID, but I will know the installation ID. So I need to change what I was just looking at. This right here. I won't know this. In fact, this should be the update. I think this might be able to go away. Where is this being called? Bot config. Okay, and my ad is being called where? Oh, wait, whoa. Wait, what? guess my question now is how did my GitHub installation get created and when? 4/13 yesterday. The reason why this is curious to me is because I don't see that here, unless I just didn't return anything. Let's see, I got a 404. So this means that it, like, how did it get created? All right, I don't think this is working. I think this is broken. All right, let's go and look at my onboard to see. Okay, so that's onboard. Do I have a install? Where are the installs? Yeah, here we are. I see. Okay, all right. I see. GitHub has a completely different way of installation. I see. Fuck. No wonder. No wonder it's different. Okay, so all of my other things, they have like, they just work differently. With GitHub, I'm using webhooks to control this flow. So let's see what I have here. So I have the installation ID, this user ID, installation ID settings. Okay, so I'm passing the user ID. Perfect. And I'm in. Okay, I see what I'm doing here. So I do the create here. That's good to know. So I'm gonna have the installation. Okay, so then when I get to the webhook, I'm never adding ever. I'm updating. So we're gonna update GitHub installation, and then we got to go into here, and I need to find that update GitHub. So this, basically, I need to delete this, kinda ish. I'm not gonna truly delete it yet. So I want to return. Well, I want to do this right here. I'm not going to do anything with this installation ID, but I do want to be able to take in a org name, a handle, and a repo, in addition to settings. So when you add, I am going to constrain it for now, right? It's going to be constrained. We don't. Oh wait, no, I will have this. Except I don't even need this function. I don't think. Let me confirm. Right, yes, I don't even need that function. That's the issue, yeah. I forget, all right, I don't even need the function. That's the confusion. Okay, so now we have our settings, but I can't just do this because, wait, I shouldn't be able to just do this. This should be JSON stringify, if I'm not mistaken. All right, I kind of like when it's this way. I thought it would have did it for me, but I don't know. Maybe not, maybe not. Okay, I think we're good here. So let's go back to the app. We gotta fix this, so let's get it done. All right, so the UID. Why, wait. Why am I? No, this is still wrong. We don't need this. This is the installation ID, which I think is a number. Okay. You know what? I have an idea. It doesn't even, I'm gonna just do that. That should give me the return that I want and make, yeah, it's easier. I keep looking at it, it keeps annoying me. So we're just gonna return that. What does this do? Well, if this is null, if you not it, it'll become false. I think, maybe. Let's confirm by looking. Oops. So like we'll say not null, we get true. So if we do not null, we get false. But let's say we get not 0, true. So if we do not 0, we get false. Or if we do not, what was the other option that it could be? I had to check. Count can be a number or null. Yeah, that's basically, it could be a number or null. So yeah, I'm just saying, you know what? I don't care. JavaScript. Oh, it looked like I had did it and then did. Okay, looks like apparently I had already did that and I just didn't complete it and I didn't even do a good job of it the first time. All right, cool. So now I'm satisfied. Okay. Let's go back to here, and we don't want this anymore, but we do want the installation, which I think is an integer. At least it should be. I'm not sure why I'm not getting types here. I don't like this. Yeah, I'm not getting types. I don't know how I feel about this. Yeah, this is wrong. Somehow everything doesn't have a type. That can't be right. Update GitHub config. What is this? Oh, that. Okay. Yeah, it's not gonna be this. I'm gonna have to have the installation ID. These are all options. You know what? I kind of want this to be an object, maybe. Okay, that looks to be okay. Do I not have types for wait a minute, payload? Oh, I see. I'm not using the GitHub client. No wonder. Okay. I kind of want to use the GitHub client for this. But I'll just pull it out manually. So in order to pull it out manually, I have to know where it is and my PR here. That's literally what this is here for. This shows me, well, this isn't my PR, but it shows me the same stuff my PR does. So the information that I need is the installation, which I think is this. So I need the installation.id here. Wait, where's my, oh, here we are. So it's going to be .id. My handle, it looks like that isn't here. Oh no, it's account login. Okay. So I need account. All right. Next, I need the org, and I think that should be down here under sender. Oh, that's all in sender. Oh, wait a minute. So I don't need this. I can just say sender.login, and we don't need installation or account. I'm not seeing my org anywhere. That's fine. Technically, this would go here, settings, and then we'll delete that. And then we have our sender login. Oh, we have, oh shit, we already have a login. Okay. Maybe I should do that on here too. We'll just say get the ID as installation ID. Okay, so we get installation ID settings. Then we get our login, which is our handle. So we'll rename it. Let's make my life easier. All right, there might be an org, but I don't see it. So I'm just going to say org is going to be undefined. And then the repo should be in this repository. So let's pull out, we have repositories. And so that's going to be repositories, the first one, no matter what. I wonder if I should store all of that in the settings instead. Yeah. Because it's already, I'm already doing that now. I think that's better. Just store that in settings, all of the repositories information. Or not. I'll just get the repo ID. I'm going to rerun this request now. And what I expect to see is all of this stuff in here to kind of mostly go away. Installation ID should stay the same. Okay, perfect. Well, no, not perfect actually. It's stringifying that. Or it's not string, okay, I think I'm doing that. Let's go and update that again. Let's not stringify settings. Let's just pass it. And we'll redeliver. Perfect, okay. And now we get all of this stuff too. All right, cool. And if I were to install this in code and color, I should get the org name at that point. Cool, so now settings doesn't have anything, that's fine. Google, yeah, we're, wait, am I fine? How many? Oh, this was a long time ago, okay. Let me just delete it. All right, look at that. Okay, cool. Looks like things are working now. So yeah, so let's see if things are actually working. I have one endpoint that can exercise a lot of different things, and we're gonna use that. So we're gonna open that up. Man, I really hope that this auth is still valid. I don't want to have to, I'm gonna have to do it. I'm pretty sure. Okay, it compiled. That's good. Okay, authentication error. All right, fine. I figured I would get one. All right, let's create a new auth key. That's why it's upset, because it's been so long. So let's create a new integration key. And wait a minute, did it create one? Profile Slack. Profiles. Let's see. Did they get updated? Or is my updated that not working? I need to fix that. I don't know if I actually created this key or not. Let's try that again. Oops. All right, so create key. Oh, it failed. Okay. Why are we failing? We're getting a 401. Interesting. Am I not logged in? Let's just get a new session and see what happens. Oh, wait, why did that? Okay, I see what happened. It's trying to, okay, I see, fine. Is it not gonna work? Or is it compiling? Okay, compiled. All right. Let's close this again. I'm not sure if that's the right one, but hopefully this one is. Okay, so that one worked. Okay. See what my response was. Here's my token that I can use. Man, they make it so hard to get this value out. All right, let's go back to here and I can throw that token in here. $500. Okay. New access token. Error updating Google configuration column access token. Okay, let's go look for that. Okay. Okay, I see. I'm spreading and I probably shouldn't be spreading. All right, so we'll not spread and we'll do it this way. Expiry is going to be config expiry. Surprised Copilot hasn't offered to do this for me. This is the kind of stuff that Copilot could be awesome at. Wait, no, we don't want to update the UID at all, ever. Okay, so let's try this again. We should get a different result this time. Not there, but just here. Here. So notice here, we don't get the Google does not exist anymore. So we do get the new token. All right, cool. So now let's look to see what's calling this. Google, wait, update here. And of course I'm not, okay. All right, I'm losing whatever's happening in these promises here. So let's address that. Technically, I shouldn't do what I'm about to do. I shouldn't do this. Technically. But here we are. Wait a minute. It said new access token. Wait, new access token. So if I got a new access token, and this, so it's not failing here. All right, this was useless. I didn't even need to do this, but whatever. Let's move on. Where else could this be failing? This is where I guess I'm gonna have to put a breakpoint somewhere. Let's close all this stuff. It's confusing me now. Add Google config. I don't know what could be failing, so just put my breakpoint here and just see what happens. Oh wait, no. I don't think this is where it could be failing. Let's actually go to the thing, the route. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff happening here. A lot of disgusting stuff too. Put a breakpoint right there. And then I want to remove this breakpoint and this one. All right, cool. So now only that breakpoint should be hit. All right, we got broadcast. Okay, is there a video? There's an error. Okay, the video already exists. Oh, whoa. Find video. Error. The result contains 0 rows. That's not an error. Maybe. Okay. Found it. All right, cool. Maybe single. All right, let's go ahead and finish execution and then let's rerun it now that it recompiled. And I guess I can update the breakpoint to here because now I know that's where it fell last time. There we are. So I fixed it. We get our video. Let's get our, okay. We get, all right, when we try to get the PR template now. So let's go back to PR template. This is where it failed. I have a feeling, I think I know why that's failing. This is failing. Where is that? This is failing because settings right here, there is no node template. So yeah, that's the issue. So I really only want to do this stuff here if there is a template and all that kind of stuff. All right, so maybe I'll pull that out. So we'll say if GitHub dot settings. I wonder if I can do this. What can I say? It's in? Is that a thing? Can I do that in JavaScript? I think I can. So if I say if note template in that, then I want to do some things, right? Otherwise, I don't want to do anything. So I'll do this. So we'll say if that, then I will move this here. All right, so now settings. I don't think I need to do that or this. All right, that'll exist. Well, maybe settings. Maybe I still have to say that it's here. I'll do it this way. So we'll do it like that. So now I don't think I have to assert here. And I shouldn't have to assert here either. Yeah, perfect. And I only need to do this stuff if there is the note stuff. So all of this goes in there. I'm not even using file name, apparently. Oh, it looks like I had some functions that I hadn't updated. So I need to update this. Or wait, this doesn't exist anymore? It definitely exists. Okay, there we are. So file name. Why is this upset? Oh, yeah, okay. Is it because I updated this to be one of these things? Yes, okay. All right, so we have our file name, content. The commit message. The branch. And our content, which wouldn't that just be file content? Expected 4 arguments. So you expect the blob, the installation ID. Okay. I don't like this signature here. This is a dumb signature to me. So I'm gonna do it this way. All right, so we're gonna, yeah, I think that's a little bit easier for me to remember. Owner repo, okay. We're gonna do our installation ID, which should come from GitHub, installation ID. All of it comes from GitHub, okay. And then I need the owner. I feel like owner should be inside of this thing right here. So I'm gonna change that. And repo. And this is upset because technically it doesn't exist there anymore. All right. So the owner is, I think that's going to be in the profile itself. So that should be the handle generally. And the repo will just be the repo. All right, I think we're good there. This is our blob. And then this right here is our branch. We're going to create a PR. Maybe. Okay. Let's try this now. I'm just trying to not get to 500. I don't need to do any of the GitHub stuff right now. So we'll find our videos. No errors. We still get the error. Oh, wait. No, this isn't an error. This is good. F5. Yeah, we got our 200. Perfect. So now if I look in our videos, we should have maybe a new video. Do I add that? Finish cycle off. No, I didn't add it. Why don't I add it? Why didn't I add it? Or is it broken? Why is this even what do you mean you can't find the name? Oh, I see. There's a mistake there. This is a test. I will comment that out. I don't want to deal with it. You know what? Just comment it all out. How about that? Oh, what the fuck? Wait. Something was off about that. It's like I'm missing something. All right, let's collapse. Normally I don't need this for one lines, but I'm trying to debug something because something seems off. I think this right here. That seems off slightly. Okay, there we are. Try this again. I think. Oh, no, I can't try it again. It's gonna let me. JavaScript doesn't care. Oh, it's this PR URL thing. So, I only want to do this sending this thing with the URL if the URL exists. And the only way that I'll know the URL possibly exists is if this were a function and I returned something, I kept like some type of value or something like that. This is, I don't know. I have a solution. It sucks. I mean, people are gonna judge me for it, but maybe I'm gonna do it anyways. It involves having a bit of extra state here, right here, this GitHub settings, no template. I can't just say, oh, if there's a template, then I know that all this other stuff happened. I don't know that. So what I could do is have like a Boolean flag that I flip whenever this thing right here happens, or this PR, right? So instead of saying, oh, don't like return whatever this is, maybe I don't return that. Maybe I set a flag to PR created, you know? Maybe I'm gonna do that. Eventually I will just create a function. I'm not gonna do that right now. I just need this to work so I can move on in life. So we're gonna say this right here. We only want to add this thing if like, wait, what's the word? We want to append to this list if there is a URL. So we're gonna create a list And we're gonna stick. Wait, how do you? Oh, it's push. Okay, I'm all right. Too many different languages. That's the issue. So we're gonna push this. All right, and then I'm gonna say, well, gosh, PR created. We'll call this is PR created. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna say is PR created. If so, we want to do this thing right here, messages, push, and then we'll just take this and dump it in like such. And this right here, this PR URL, technically, actually, I have a better idea. Fuck this bull. Yeah, screw this. We're not doing this. We're just gonna say PR URL. How about that? So we're gonna say this. PR URL. This will just be an empty string. All right, so PR URL, it's not assignable to type string or undefined. Oh, okay. I can make it undefined. Cool. So I'm gonna say string or undefined so that TypeScript leaves me alone for that. And then we're gonna say this right here. So we're gonna say if is created, or we're not even gonna do that. We're gonna say what's the name of that? PR URL. So yeah. So if there's a PR URL, then we're just gonna push it. And then here we're gonna go to our messages and just join them like that. All right, so let's try this again. Okay, so it got to here. That means that I should have gotten a message in Slack, maybe. Honestly, I don't remember installing it again. That's the thing. So is it dev testing or testing? Wait, do I even have a channel called Slack dev testing? Yeah, I do. Okay. So it doesn't seem to have sent. So I'm gonna throw a breakpoint here this time. We're gonna try this again. So now I know this isn't blowing up, so we're good. What? Do I not have a breakpoint? Let's close this. Oh, fuck. Okay. Oh, I see what's happening now. Okay, I see. So insert video. There needs to be one of these. Okay. All right. Now let's try this. Now we should get a message. All right. Yeah. Perfect. Cool. So we get our messages to push. Okay. Hopefully this works. Look at that. It does. Perfect. Look at that. It worked. So even my, this is, we'll ignore that. But it didn't add the PR because it didn't actually create the PR. But that's okay because I don't have the template right now. I had to give it the URL or the SHA. I think I had to give it the SHA to the template. So let's just do that right quick. Let's go to table, my database. So inside of here, I need to have, I forgot the name of the GitHub setting, maybe. Yeah, I need to have a note template. I need to have one of those. So let's create that. And the note template is just a SHA. And it needs to, it's the SHA that's in that repo. So let's go open up that repo. So that's going to be GitHub. I am Will Shepherd this time. Devlog. And it's this right here. And there should be a, is it here? Can I get it raw? No, it's not the raw one. It's this thing right here. I need the full one. Oh, there it is. It's, yeah, I think this is it right here. I don't remember what the description should be. So there's that. Go ahead and save that. So now I'm gonna throw a breakpoint inside of here because there will be a note template. Or I don't know, maybe there won't be. Maybe not be so confident. There should be. That's what we should be saying. There should be. Let's get this organized a little bit better so I'm not all over the place. Oh, I'm like, wait, okay, I see what happened. Move to another screen. All right, I got a 409. The video already exists. But that's here. I don't know if, wait, where's the video? Even if the video exists, you know what? I'm gonna just delete the video, screw it. That's the easiest thing to do right now. So the video is finishing, wait, what is the video? Oh, it's here. I don't have a name for today's video. I didn't know that. Okay. It's cool. Now let's try this again. Now I won't get that error, but I should be able to see my note template right there. So it should be able to get this file now, hopefully. No, it didn't. Okay. Error. What's the error? Installation ID option is required for installation authentication. Oh, okay. Well, all right. I did not know that. So this Git file right here, because I'm using installation authentication, I had to pass that. So let's say installation. Is that not how you do it? Oh, this is the wrong thing. This is, that's the wrong thing. It's this one. Or no, is it not? Wait, how do I give it what it wants? How? Installation ID option is required for installation. Okay, I know that, but like, I remember seeing this at one point, but I don't remember how to deal with it. Is it here? It won't even give me the type. Okay. Oh, I see what's happening. Okay, I see what's happening. All right, cool. Looks like I thought I had done this already. Maybe not. again, it's been so long. I haven't been really working on this consistently. So we're gonna get our installation, and we're gonna have to pass in the installation ID now. And this is a good opportunity to extend this data structure, so I don't have to keep passing these types of things. So we're gonna pass in an installation ID. And then we're gonna do this on behalf of the installation, right? So instead of saying GitHub app, we'll say installation, like such. So apparently I have forgot to do that on all the other ones, and I didn't realize it. So here we are. Install. I think that's still in my thing here. Number. These really should be in try catches at some point in the future. Not now, not now. I'm always going to talk about what should be and then proceed to not do it. Otherwise, life wouldn't be fun. We need excitement in life. That's how you get it. Create branch. Yeah, we're gonna need the installation ID here too. Okay, so this is going to cause some errors, but only in one place, which is fine. So we're going to get this from, wait, get file. Oh man, I'm dumb. I think, yeah, I'm dumb. I didn't have to do any of that. Get that from GitHub or from context. Yeah, my bad. I wasn't thinking. All right, yep, delete all this. Okay, I think that should do it. Let's try it. All right, we get another error. What is it this time? Secret or private key must be asymmetric key when using. Did I not? Okay, I think I had to create a key. I didn't create a key. Okay, all right. How long have I been streaming? It's 2 hours on a Sunday. Yeah, I'm not gonna fix this now. There are other things I can be doing on a Sunday, like riding my motorcycle, in fact. So all of this is getting, like, fixing the GitHub installation stuff, really. Yeah, normally you shouldn't do commits like that, but again, I'm at a point now where I don't care. How about that? Like, I don't care. Oh, you know what? I have something I can do to simplify this. So count this right here. I can just delete this now. It'll always return a Boolean now. So simplify logic. Let me delete all these falses. They are, you have no idea how much this is annoying me. Every time I look at it, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is trash. Slack config. This could be null, so like I don't need to return that. Because it will be null at that point. Yeah. Oops. I need to do better with whatever's happening here. I need to do better with this one. I'm not gonna do it now. I'm not gonna do it now. I'm gonna kick it down the road as usual and then complain about it later. This should be able to be null too. Yeah, perfect. I don't think there's ever a scenario where I want to return an error. Man, these are all trash. God damn it. God. I don't want to do this anymore. Get user profile. This should be maybe. Wait, I thought I just did that. Didn't there get video? What's get and find video? What's the difference? Oh, one's used and one's not. Okay, I see. So we'll fix that. Where's the, wherever the one? Is it this one? Yeah. We'll just replace the code. All right, so I got to fix the two things that are using that. Or the one thing that's using this. So no, we're no longer getting this crap here. We're just going to get the video. No. Makes my life a little bit easier. So we have to ask for the length now. Please don't just fail on me now. Oh, shit. Oh man. Oh, it's back to that secret thing. Okay, all right, yeah, all right, fine. This is something that I can solve later. This isn't really a code thing. It is a code thing, kinda, but it's more a configuration thing than anything. So we'll just say, what did I do? I did a little bit of cleanup here. All right, look at that. All right, cool. I'm done with that. So I see there are like 10 people on Twitter. I don't understand Twitter. I don't know how to see if y'all are saying anything or want anything. Normally I ask people if they have questions, but generally no one does. So I guess I won't ask any of you if you have any questions. So what I'll instead do is say, have a good rest of the weekend and see you later. Peace.